In a world dominated by technology and automation, female robots are emerging as the unsung heroes, silently revolutionizing industries across the globe. These incredible machines are more than just nuts and bolts. They represent a significant shift in the way we perceive automation and gender in the workforce. From manufacturing to healthcare and beyond, female robots are not only changing industries but challenging stereotypes and pushing the boundaries of what robots can achieve. Imagine walking into a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility where precision, efficiency, and innovation converge. The assembly line is abuzz with activity. At the heart of it all, you find something remarkable. A female robot seamlessly orchestrating a complex dance of machines and materials. She moves with grace and precision, challenging traditional notions of automation. This is not science fiction. It's the exciting reality of how female robots are changing industries today. In this video, we will dive deep into the fascinating world of female robots, exploring their impact on various sectors and the exciting future they promise. The manufacturing marvel. Female robots have made significant inroads into manufacturing, often performing tasks that demand meticulous precision and consistency. From automotive assembly lines to electronics manufacturing, these robots are reshaping the industry. Their dexterity and ability to adapt to changing conditions have improved production rates and product quality. Factories powered by female robots are setting new standards of efficiency. Healthcare's silent heroes. In the healthcare sector, female robots are working tirelessly behind the scenes to support medical professionals. They assist in surgeries, deliver medication, and even provide emotional support to patients. These robots are instrumental in minimizing human error, enhancing patient care, and in some cases, even saving lives. Agricultural advancements. Agriculture, one of the oldest industries known to mankind, is not immune to the influence of female robots. These machines are changing the way we farm, from autonomous tractors that plant and harvest crops to drones that monitor crop health. Female robots are increasing agricultural productivity while reducing the environmental impact. Retail and customer service. Walk into a modern retail store, and you might find a friendly female robot guiding you to the right aisle or helping you find products. These robots are transforming the retail experience, making it more engaging and efficient. In customer service, chatbots and virtual assistants powered by female AI are providing solutions and information to customers 24/7. AI and gender diversity. The emergence of female robots raises important questions about gender diversity in the field of artificial intelligence and robotics. Historically, AI has been male-dominated, but female robots challenge these stereotypes. They highlight the importance of diversity in technology and showcase the potential for gender-neutral AI development. Empowering women in tech. Female robots are not just changing industries, but also inspiring young women to pursue careers in STEM fields. Their presence serves as a reminder that women can excel in technology and engineering, bridging the gender gap in these industries. Elderly care and companionship. In an aging world, female robots are stepping up to provide care and companionship to the elderly. These robots can assist with daily tasks, remind seniors to take medications, and offer emotional support through conversation and companionship. They are addressing the growing need for elderly care in a world where aging populations are placing increasing demands on healthcare systems and caregiving resources. Female robots in this role are not just changing the way we care for our seniors, but also addressing societal challenges associated with an aging population, lighting the torch for tomorrow. The fascinating journey of female robots reminds us that progress and innovation know no gender boundaries. It is a testament to the potential of technology to empower individuals and improve industries. As we continue to embrace these incredible robots, let us also ensure that we do so responsibly, with an unwavering commitment to ethics and inclusivity. In a future where the boundaries between humans and machines blur, female robots stand as a symbol of possibility, opportunity, and progress. Their silent revolution continues to unfold, promising a brighter, more exciting future for us all. If you found this exploration of female robots and their transformative impact on industries intriguing, please don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on more captivating videos like this. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey into the future.